Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Come with me, today we're making banana bread. If you enjoyed this video, please support my channel by subscribing. Let's start making caramelized banana. In the pan, add the butter and let it melt. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 to 4 teaspoons of cinnamon. Stir until golden and combined. Add the banana slices and cook for 2-3 minutes. Gently stirring so the sugar coats the banana. Make sure to turn the banana slices in the pan. Making content is really hard, especially when you don't get much support. Please, I really need your support. Remove from heat when the bananas are soft and caramelized but not mushy. Arrange the banana slices in your baking tin. Make sure they cover the entire bottom of the baking pan. When you're done, set it aside and start preparing the bread now. Peel the bananas, put them in a bowl, and then mash them. I used a fork to mash my bananas. Make sure to mash them, but not until they are completely smooth. Some lumps are fine. Add 3 eggs, 90 grams of brown sugar, and 80 grams of granulated sugar. Add half a cup of buttermilk and 1 to 2 cups of butter. Mix everything very well. Make sure everything is mixed very well. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, then mix. Add 190 grams of flour, 1-2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Note: if you don't have self-raising flour, please add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Gently fold in the flour. Make sure you mix until all the white flour disappears. Pour the banana bread mixture into your baking tin. If your bowl is small, you can bake it in a larger baking tin. Shake the baking tin to remove any air bubbles. Make sure your oven is preheated to 170 degrees. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes. Check for doneness with a wooden skewer. When it comes out clean, the cake is cooked. Allow the cakes to cool in their pan for 10 minutes. Invert banana bread onto wire rack. Remove pan and let banana bread cool completely. If you want to add frosting, once your cake has completely cooled, you can go ahead and add it. Slice the banana bread, then enjoy it with your family. Trust me, this is the most moist banana bread ever. Bon appetit and enjoy your bread. Thank you all for supporting me and watching my videos. Don't forget to click the bell. Press like, comment, and share with everyone. Making content is really hard.